Thanks to this single ChatGPT prompt, I made a developer ready PRD in just 60 seconds. And that is something that usually take around 10 to 15 hours of writing down research and meetings, rewriting, and and that takes a lot of efforts. And the best part is that it's not a generic doc. It has the purpose, that why we are creating it. It has the target audience, it has the features list, it has the details of all the features, that how they work each and step by step, that how a user will engage with that particular feature, the all the possible use cases, go to market plan, and everything that a real engineering team need to get a feature built, and a QA team needs to test out that particular feature. Now if you have ever written a PRD, you know it's time consuming, it's a lot of questions that your team came up with, you forget the edge cases, and converting into the user stories, it's again a very big headache out there. And this prompt changed all of that. And also, as an aspiring product manager, to showcase in your portfolio, you need the PRDs, that yes, you know how to write down the PRDs. And this particular ChatGPT prompt will make creating the PRDs for your idea easy, super easy. In just a few seconds you have the final version of yours. Let's go to my screen and let's see this. So here is, I'm on what we call it ChatGPT, okay, and I'm creating for a tech first food delivery company. Okay, so I mentioned act as senior product manager at this, write a detailed developer and QA friendly PRD for a new product delivery feature designed for busy working professionals. Okay, and your PRD should have highlighted the purpose, the target user, the user benefits, everything I have mentioned over there. No worries, I will be sharing this prompt in a doc below this video as well. So let me put it here. So let's see what we will get out of that. So my system is running a bit slow here. It is searching the web. Okay, so here it is. The purpose is defined. Yeah, notes are also ready. Let's go one by one. Okay, so the purpose is defined: busy professional often skip lunches or waste time due to long order processes. Why it matters, the goal is mentioned there, the target users is also mentioned there, the mid-level corporate workers, remote professionals, working parents, user benefits are also there, features breakdown is also there. Okay, quick reorder button allows on tap, flow, what will the flow. Okay, the system interactions, edge cases are also there, edge cases across the features, network server error, display rollback message and retry option, menu changes after save, remove the deprecated items, autoplay notifications, time zone, cart timeout, expiry card out, quick card after 5 minutes, show warning, everything, success metrics, what should be the success metrics of this particular product, and the notes are also mentioned over there. Isn't it amazing? So that's the beauty of this particular prompt, and that will in just less than a minute I'm having. So you need to just change your idea that for which product you want to create this. I just mentioned the tech first day food delivery company. Okay, so and I mentioned for the busy working professionals, right? So you can mention about your professionals, what you want to build. It will make things easy, sorted, just copy paste it into a Google Doc or a Notion, and it is ready to. That's a simple thing that you can create here. So that's all for this particular video. If you want to use this ChatGPT prompt, you can find this a link in the description below to with the document with this particular prompt. And also, if you want to get into this product management role, and if you need my help in that case, find the link below in the description and book a one-on-one demo call with us. And in that particular call, we will lay out the structured game plan for you to make a smooth and easy transition into this product management role in the minimum time possible. Thank you.